Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another weekly recap vlog. Let's dive into everything that happened during this crazy fun week. Starting on Sunday, I got officially caught up on 911. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about Peter Cross's character and all that happened there. No spoilers, okay? But I'll give it till the next season to kind of see if I'm going to continue watching it. I don't know. I don't know. On Monday, I got crafty and I started working on a unicorn plush, and it is turning out beautiful. I'm super excited to share it with you guys. Like, honestly, sewing is just my therapy. It's just that feeling, like that's just that big deep breath. So much, and it's just something I need right now. On Tuesday, it was one of those soul-fulfilling days. I had a great chat with someone in the morning, and that person's super awesome, and I'm really grateful for everything. And that just kind of stuck with me throughout the whole day. It's still putting a smile on my face, as you can see, just talking about it. After that, I walked over to our library, and I would love to spend more time there, but I got pulled out. But honestly, it's so much fun just grabbing like that big stack of books, and you just know you're going to start reading it. Oh, you just get so excited for even just the synopsis, so. On Wednesday, it was a family day, so we went shopping and then hit the Ventura Harbor. It was a nice little outing. I actually really enjoyed it. Usually I'm not a big fan of shopping days. But we did try the fish sukis from the Ventura Harbor ice cream shop, and they're really good actually. They're like little fried fish cookies with little syrup and chocolate sauce on the inside. And then on Thursday, I went to the harbor again because I saw a sign saying that the tall ships or the old-timey ships would be in the harbor on Thursday. They actually weren't yet, so I think they were still coming in. So I didn't get to see it, but I'll definitely do that again. Go check it out again. I definitely want to see the tall ships and be able to go up on them real quick. On Friday, got a little bit spooky. I started working on a plush spider backpack. I'm making a second one. So I have the one big one, Charlotte. Now I'm making Bones, which is like a smaller version because apparently Charlotte's too big for my little sister and she doesn't much care for. So that was a lot of fun getting that started. Unfortunately, it's that long pile fur fabric, so I have to sew it all by hand. So I'm currently kind of slogging through finishing it up right now. Then later on Friday, I went to Fabric Town USA's 52-year anniversary party, which was a lot of fun. It was really good, and the vibes were amazing. Fabric galore, crafty people everywhere, and of course, I left with more than I planned to buy. I literally went in to get some elastic and some more strapping material, for backpacks. Yep, ended up with quite a bit more than that, so totally I'm kind of used to it by now. On Saturday, so just yesterday, it was a packed day. We went to the Touch a Truck event out at Buena High School. It was a lot of fun. Even the grown-ups seemed to be having a lot of fun too, but they were very nice first responders there. So really kudos goes out to them. After that, I rolled up my sleeves. I got home and I decided to fix up my gardening area. I'm tired of it being a jungle wilderness, and I decided to put down some paving and some mulch to try to keep it looking nice for at least a little bit. And I got my first commission yesterday. I'm super excited. I'm working on that right now, like in between working on this video and getting that all good to go. So I'm super happy. So I just wanted to share that. I'll share more about that once it's all done. And that's pretty much my week. It was kind of crazy, kind of relaxing in its own right. Yeah, so the projects I finished up, let me see here. I got Stitch plushie done, which is adorable. He is my favorite cartoon character, so very happy with that. And then here is the start. It's still work in progress, but this is Bones, little spider backpack. It's got a little skull on its back. So I'm super excited to get that done and share it with you guys when it is done. I have an interview tomorrow, so keep your fingers crossed for me. I'm hoping, yeah, I don't know. It's not the dream job, but it's something I could see myself working on for quite a few years. So, just keep your fingers crossed for me. And as always, if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it, and I will see you in the next weekly video. Happy crafting!